Okay, I'm just gonna fucking record because it makes it easier to keep the stupid light on.
Start right.
Dusty, don't get any damned ideas. Start on this side, would you? I say go from... Is that gonna hold shit? Barely.
Hold enough.
Go from there to there, yeah. Fun at Redtail Farm at 11 o'clock at freaking night because my neighbor couldn't bother to talk to me about the fact that in his book it was taking me too long to flip this thing over. Ugh. Go around that little pole twice, please. I know, I need to get that cut out, but I don't have your chainsaw anymore.
Yeah.
He took it to get it fixed and then can't get it fixed and was supposed to return it even though he couldn't get it fixed. Mm-hmm. Let me get out of there. Oh. My stupid cat goes underneath of the thing. My farm cat's underneath the building. Anyway, he was supposed to bring me back the chainsaw even though he couldn't get it fixed. Because at least it did something.
Yeah.
He hasn't brought it back yet.
Watch him come back with a whole new chainsaw.
I wish, but you know what them good ones cost?
Yeah, I know what the good ones cost.
Good chainsaw. I mean, a good chainsaw for once, not these.
It cost you $500-600.
You're a little low.
No, that's for the basic Husqvarna. It's about $500.
Screw that! I want a dang still.
Well, those are going to cost you a couple grand.
Isn't that what we were supposed to get this time around? Was a still?
Yeah.
They're like, the cheapest I found is $749. You know? Yeah, that's a cedar tree. Whoa. Fragrant little sucker now that we've stomped on it. Let me.
Okay, there's that one.
You sure that'll hold?
Yeah. Other side.
Hey, Kev.
What?
What about her ducking underneath?
Like that?
Yeah. Sorry, I know this Appaloosa too well.
You're smart for us.
Too nosy. It's not a matter of being smart. I am glad we left the car door open. We have a cat in the cab.
Yeah. For you.
That's awesome. You're awesome. I owe you big time.
Don't worry about it. That's what I'm here
As I said, I'm not strong enough to do that.
Wire out of that.
I think that's all the wire we've got.
See what I got. Some. All right.
I ain't got shit for posts.
All right. Nice. You guys.
Now, easy, easy, easy. Let me do it. Go on. Come on, babies. Atta babies. Nosies.
All right.
Nosies. 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 Aren't ya? Nosy. 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 Wouldn't have to fix this if you'd stay put, Goofy. Wouldn't be out here doing this at 11 o'clock at night if it wasn't for you.
I'm wrapped up in this stuff already.
T2.
This right here. Over here.
You realize I'm going to have to rent one of those stupid post hole digger thingies in order to put hedge posts back up. Really?
What? You getting muzzled?
No, but she wants to know what you're doing.
No more exploring for you.
I hear Lemmy. They smell good. You know it?
Yeah.
They smell all nummy and horsey. I know, I'm going to be the only weirdo in the world that thinks that, but you do, you smell good. Yes.
Alright, there's that side.
Alright, I hear you, you goofy cat. Where are you? Ah, you're hooked up.
Alright. Enough. This should be enough to get over there.
Just go, go, go. You have to go around that sucker a couple times to make sure it doesn't slide down. I hear a Lemmy.
Is that in?
I got that twisted around. You just got to get it tightened for me.
Here, hold on to that for a moment. Alright, there's that. Okay.
Looks a little low. Can you squirrel it around that post a little bit? You know what I'm saying? Ow! Prickle bush! Attaboy. Okay, I realize it's past my birthday, but if anybody sees this video and wants to buy me a birthday present, I need a fence puller. Because I can't keep getting him out of work to come help me all the time with this stuff. Although he does a great job and he's a wonderful help. Bow, because you have earned it. You know, I owe you like massive. But I need a fence puller because I need to be able to do this shit myself, and I can't do it without brute strength, and I ain't got the brute strength. I can only pull about 60 pounds. This is the culprit. This is who did it. This is Kokomo in the dark. And that's River, who's just going to turn around and like wander away because he doesn't care. And you're going to see a little bit of nothing because it's my only dang light to get back is to have the camera on. Just can't find my freaking flashlight. Make sure you don't have a cat in there.
No kitty cat, but I got some stuff up on the other side.